Hi, I'm Charlotte Warren and I am a lecturer on textile design at Plymouth College of Art. The Textile Design BA at Plymouth College of Art is really about nurturing those specialist skills. We have fantastic facilities, screen printing tables, dye labs and heat presses, an industrial tufting machine, digital print facilities, sublimation printing. So we really ingrain those skills on our students throughout the years, and we want them to be able to master those skills and to be able to respond to industrial client briefs and creating happy and confident textile designers for the future. When students graduate from our course, we want them to feel confident, enthusiastic and knowledgeable about all the skills and design work they've learned over the years and put that into practice. When you come to study textile design at Plymouth College of Art, you'll be inducted into our technical dye lab, learning to dye fabrics from scratch, and then understanding how to mix print pastes, expose a screen with your own design to print layers. We also teach repeat, so we've got really long screen printing tables where you can produce your design over a large surface area for upholstery or for fashion design. And also for installation space, so creating really big pieces. We have the facilities to paint onto screen and to print through that, so a monoprinting technique, industrial embroidery machines, tufting, both hand and industrial machines, printing onto synthetic fabrics through our sublimation print press and digital print facilities, amongst others. So the facilities are really renowned. We also have really good knowledge in natural dyeing, and we have a contemplative garden outside of our entrance where we are growing colour basically from some specific natural dye plants that we're hoping to use to develop within our dye lab. So we have a good sustainability approach in terms of trying to improve our dye systems and trying to use natural dyes within our course as well. Graduates from our Textile Design at Plymouth College of Art programme can go on to become textile designers in industry, screen printers, merchandisers, stylists, artists, interior designers. So the range is really wide, and we teach many transferable skills to go into many of those different design creative industries. We have a fantastically happy student community here at Plymouth College of Art in the textile department, but also just across the college. So we really encourage interdisciplinary practice where students are having conversations about their work in different departments and different teams, and that helps with the facilities because you can access them all across the college. We also run things like knit workshops, reading workshops, so there's a happy, nice group of people with similar mindsets. So the world needs creatives now more than ever, because we need people to think and to solve problems in a more creative manner. We need to inspire the future generations. We need to keep making and designing and to solve problems and to be part of this very creative, happy community.